The 8-hour sleep cycle is far from a state of total rest for the body's organ systems, contrary to common belief. Rather, this period marks the most intensive phase of biological maintenance, cellular repair, and intracellular detoxification within the 24-hour human cycle. However, this entire process consumes a massive amount of biological resources without any immediate external replenishment. On average, an adult loses between 500 milliliters and nearly 1 liter of water through respiration and dermal secretion during a single night. By the time the clock strikes the hour of waking, the body is essentially in a state of latent physiological alarm. Blood viscosity reaches its peak due to overnight dehydration, causing a sharp spike in pressure against vessel walls. The brain, an organ composed of 75% water, experiences a slight contraction of neural tissues, leading to the characteristic sluggishness in morning reflexes and cognition. The digestive system remains in a frozen state of suspended animation to prioritize energy for core survival functions. The first glass of warm water of the day is not merely a refreshing drink, it serves as a biological solvent and a system-wide boot-up command, forcing organ systems out of hibernation and into an optimal operational rhythm. Choosing warm water over cold is a tactical thermodynamic decision, allowing the body to receive resources without expending precious energy reserves to balance internal core temperatures. The direct contact of warm water with the gastric mucosa immediately ignites the body's metabolic furnace. When warm water, typically between 40 and 50 degrees Celsius, enters the system, the body triggers its internal thermoregulatory mechanism to maintain stability at 37 degrees Celsius. This process generates a thermic effect, prompting metabolic enzymes to activate much earlier and more vigorously than usual. Clinical biological studies indicate that water consumption in the morning can increase the basal metabolic rate (BMR) by 24% to 30% within the subsequent 60 minutes. For individuals on a weight management journey, this is a critical biochemical link. Warm water slightly raises the body's temperature, which in turn stimulates more efficient fat oxidation. Specifically, when warm water is ingested approximately 30 minutes before breakfast, the body produces signaling hormones such as peptide YY and cholecystokinin. These hormones relay messages of satiety to the hypothalamus in the brain, creating a state of perceived fullness that helps reduce calorie intake during the main meal without causing suppression or lightheadedness. Furthermore, the water's temperature assists in breaking down hardened fat tissues into smaller lipid molecules, facilitating their removal by the lymphatic system through the natural cycle of elimination. The movement of warm water through the circulatory system acts as a rescue mission for the heart and blood vessels. Early morning is the most vulnerable time for the cardiovascular system, as the rate of events such as heart attacks or strokes is highest between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. The root cause lies in blood viscosity. After a long night without hydration, the blood becomes thicker and stickier. Platelets tend to aggregate strongly, creating a physical barrier that forces the heart to work at maximum intensity to pump blood through vessels already constricted by low morning ambient temperatures. A glass of warm water at this moment functions as the most immediate and natural blood thinner. The warmth assists in vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, allowing the flow to circulate more easily to the extremities and distant organs. This immediately lowers the blood pressure against vessel walls, supporting stable hypertension during the highest risk period of the day. Timely rehydration also stabilizes blood volume, preventing orthostatic hypotension, the primary cause of dizziness when stepping out of bed. The circulatory system is cleansed, toxins and residues in the bloodstream are diluted, significantly offloading the heart and enhancing the efficiency of oxygen transport to the body's furthest cells. To witness these biological transformations in the real world, consider the case of Mark, a 45-year-old project manager living in Chicago, USA. At an age where metabolic thresholds begin a sharp decline, Mark frequently faced chronic fatigue, prehypertension, and creeping weight gain in the abdominal region, despite no change in his diet. His mornings typically began with 2 cups of strong black coffee, fueled by the belief that caffeine would help his brain escape the fog. However, the result was only heart palpitations and persistent bloating that lasted until noon. Following the advice of a nutritional specialist, Mark decided to conduct a 30-day experiment, replacing that first cup of coffee with 300 milliliters of warm water immediately upon waking. In the first week, the most significant change Mark noticed was not in his weight, but in his digestive system. The mild stomach cramps and chronic constipation he had lived with for 5 years began to vanish. Entering the second week, his morning blood pressure readings stabilized, dropping from 13,585 to 12,280 millimeters of mercury. Doctors explained that the warm hydration had reduced his cardiac workload and made his blood vessels more flexible. By the fourth week, Mark had lost 5 kilograms of excess fat without adding any high-intensity exercise. The reason was that the warm water had reignited his dormant metabolic furnace and helped him control mid-morning sugar cravings. Most importantly, Mark realized that the clarity he had long sought through coffee actually came from his brain cells being properly hydrated. Mark's story is a vivid demonstration that when biological barriers are removed through a correct habit, a 45-year-old body is fully capable of recovering the vitality of a 30-year-old. Turning toward the digestive system, warm water operates as a biological broom, cleansing the entire internal plumbing. During rest, the stomach and intestines accumulate residues, mucus, and excess gastric acid. If food is ingested immediately without this preparation, these residues are pushed deeper into the small intestine, causing bloating, abdominal distension, and indigestion throughout the day. Warm water upon entering the stomach dissolves old food particles and neutralizes excess acid. More importantly, it triggers the gastrocolic reflex, a regulatory mechanism of the autonomic nervous system that causes the colon to contract and initiate the natural expulsion of waste. The warmth of the water relaxes the smooth muscles of the intestinal wall, allowing peristaltic waves to occur rhythmically rather than as sudden spasms. For those with chronic digestive issues, maintaining this habit is the most sustainable way to recalibrate the biological rhythm of the excretory system. A clean digestive system in the morning not only makes the body feel lighter, but also optimizes the absorption of vitamins and minerals from breakfast, as the microvilli in the small intestine have been cleaned and are ready for a new cycle of work. The impact of morning rehydration also radiates strongly to the supreme command center, the brain. The brain is exceptionally sensitive to changes in osmotic pressure. Even a tiny deficit in water between 1% and 2% causes neurons to immediately slow down to conserve energy, resulting in the lethargy and brain fog characteristic of the morning. Warm water plays the role of rapid tissue rehydration. When neural cells recover their moisture, the speed of bioelectrical transmission between synapses increases significantly. This helps eliminate fatigue and mild headaches caused by overnight dehydration, while improving concentration and logical thinking from the first minutes of the new day. Simultaneously, the renal system receives positive signals. After a night of filtering toxins with limited water, the concentration of residues and minerals in the kidneys is usually very high, the precursors to kidney stones and urinary tract pathologies. Warm water increases blood flow through the kidneys, prompting the nephrons to begin a new filtration cycle with higher efficiency. Diluting the concentration of salts and uric acid in the urine allows the kidneys to flush out residues, quickly protecting the organ from the risks of long-term toxic accumulation. For all these biochemical reactions to occur perfectly, the method of execution is decisive. This process is summarized in the optimal formula known as 3,004,010. The number 300 corresponds to 300 milliliters of water. This is the volume of liquid sufficient to fill the stomach and trigger neural reflexes without overloading the kidneys or excessively diluting the gastric juices needed for breakfast. The number 40 represents the temperature range of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, the most compatible heat for the human esophageal and gastric mucosa. Finally, 10 represents the first 10 minutes after waking the golden window to perform this startup procedure. The technique of drinking also requires special attention. One should not stand while drinking, but rather sit down so that the abdominal and pelvic muscles can fully relax, allowing water to remain in the stomach longer instead of flowing straight down to the lower intestines due to gravity. Drink in small sips and hold the water in the oral cavity for about 3 seconds before swallowing. This action helps the water mix with natural alkaline saliva, supporting the gentlest neutralization of stomach acid. After completing the glass of water, wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before ingesting any food to allow the body to finish its detoxification cycle and activate digestive enzymes. The health and longevity of a living entity do not stem from sudden or expensive interventions, but are built from discipline and an understanding of the body's own operational laws. A morning glass of warm water is a silent but persistent commitment between will and the instinct for survival. It is the simplest method, yet it brings about the most profound transformations at the cellular level. Maintaining the correct warm water drinking ritual for 7 consecutive days creates a new biological cycle. After this short period of challenge, the internal system will provide the most convincing feedback through visible improvements in skin quality, sustained energy levels, and mental clarity throughout the long day. Begin this regeneration process tomorrow morning, for the body is always ready to revive if given the right resources at the right time and in the right way.